In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit a website using the Hostinger website builder. If you already have a site created with Hostinger and you want to update text, change images, adjust the design, or add new sections, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. The best part is that Hostinger's builder is very beginner-friendly, so you don't need any coding skills at all to make professional-looking changes to your website. Whether you're updating a business site, a portfolio, a blog, or an online store, the process works almost exactly the same. By the end of this video, you'll know how to open the editor, modify content, customize the design, preview your site on different devices, and publish your changes so they go live on the internet. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to hostinger.com, then log into your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Hostinger dashboard. From here, look for the section called Websites. This area shows all the websites connected to your hosting account. Find the website you want to edit and then click the button that says Edit Website. As soon as you click that, Hostinger will open the Website Builder editor. This is where you can visually edit every part of your website. The editor works with a simple click-based system, which means you can click directly on the element you want to change. For example, if you want to edit text on your website, simply click on a heading, paragraph, or button. A text editing panel will appear, allowing you to type new text, adjust formatting, change alignment, or update links. This makes it very easy to update things like service descriptions, product information, headlines, or call to action buttons. Next, let's look at how to change images. If you want to replace an image on your website, just click directly on the image inside the editor. A settings panel will appear where you can upload a new image, select one from your media library, or sometimes choose from stock images depending on your template. This is perfect if you want to refresh your website visuals, add product photos, or update branding graphics. Now let's talk about sections. Hostinger's builder organizes pages into sections, which are blocks of content like hero banners, about sections, galleries, testimonials, or contact forms. If you want to add a new section, look for the Add Section button inside the editor. From there, you can choose from a variety of pre-designed layouts. If you want to remove a section, simply select it and choose the Delete option. You can also reorder sections by dragging them to different positions on the page. This makes it very easy to redesign the layout of your website without starting from scratch. Another powerful feature in the Hostinger builder is the design customization. You can adjust colors, fonts, and background styles to match your brand. Usually, this is done through the design or style settings inside the editor. For example, you might change the main color palette of the site, update typography, or modify background images and spacing. These small adjustments can make a huge difference in how professional your website looks. Before publishing your changes, it's always a good idea to preview your website. Hostinger allows you to check how your site looks on both desktop and mobile devices. Simply switch between the desktop and mobile preview options in the editor. This helps ensure your text, images, and sections look good on all screen sizes. Once you're happy with the changes you've made, the final step is to publish your website. Look for the Publish button, usually located at the top of the editor. Click Publish, and Hostinger will update your live website with all the edits you just made. Within a few seconds, your changes will be visible to visitors online. And that's it. That's how to edit a website using the Hostinger website builder. As you can see, the process is simple, visual, and beginner-friendly, making it easy to update your website anytime you need. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful website tutorials, tech guides, and online tools that can make building and managing websites much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.